Good afternoon to the Kringle Society. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolu Ayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle Society. This afternoon I'll be talking on if not, why not? If not, why not? There is a quote according to Andrew Kagan which says, "You cannot push anyone up the ladder unless he is willing to climb a little himself." Are you joyful today? If not, why not? Maybe you are focusing more on the bad side of life. In every situation you find yourself in, there is the good side to it as well as the bad side. It only matters which attracts your attention most. Are you looking at the good side? If not, then why not? Are you peaceful today? If not, why not? Peace is what you experience when you try to make the best of your circumstance. You may not be able to determine what happens to you, but you can determine how you react to it. If not peace, why not? If not peace, then why not? In life, you need to focus on things that gives you peace. You need to focus on things that brings you peace. Are you grateful for life? If not, why not? Gratitude is not an option. It is the only attitude to reach the altitude. To be grateful is to be graceful. Value every little blessing that comes your way because therein lies the key to great doors. If you don't appreciate, you depreciate. So, if not, why not? Are you faithful on your job, on the work you are doing, on your profession? If not, why not? You and I were created to be fruitful, to add value to whatever we do, to make a positive difference wherever we find ourselves, wherever we go. This is the sure proof that we are still alive. Are you still alive? If not, why not? Are you hopeful of a better tomorrow? If not, why not? Today is the seed for a better tomorrow. So plant it well. Today is the seed for a better tomorrow. So plant it well. With plenty of hopes. Even if it is rough and doubtful now, keep focus. Tomorrow can still be smooth and assured. And sure, tomorrow will be smooth and assured. With hope, you are without hope, without hope, without hope, you are simply dead. Stay hopeful, friends, because better days are coming. Good times are coming. I leave you with this word. Better days are coming. Good days are coming. Continue to plant and plant well. Thank you. Don't forget the Kringle community we are planting, and very soon we will reap well. So if you are here to join us, come on board. There's a link below this video. Click on that link and subscribe. Come on board. There are a lot of goodies, a lot of bounties are available for you. So we welcome you to a wonderful community where love and respect rules. We live in abundance. Thank you. Love you. Like this broadcast and share to your loved ones. Bye for now.